Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Join me today as I make boiled egg stew. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. So to start without wasting much time, I'm going to season my meat. I will add in my sliced onion, curry powder, thyme, mixed dry seasoning herbs, meat stock and also salt. After that, I'll cover and let it cook. So 10 minutes later, I'm going to check on the meat. I'll go ahead to add in some water. After that, I'll cover and let it cook until it becomes soft. So after cooking the meat, I'm going to go ahead to turn off the heat. Then I'll go ahead to use my sieve to take out the meat from the meat stock. And after that, I'm going to use my air fryer to fry the meat and set them aside. So next, add some water into your pot, then add in your raw eggs and let it cook for 11 minutes. So 11 minutes later, after I'm done cooking the eggs, I'm going to go ahead to take them off the heat. So next, I'm going to go ahead to blend the vegetables which I'm going to be using for today's recipe. Here I have onion, ginger, garlic clove, fresh tomatoes, long sweet pepper and also my hot chili. I'm going to go ahead to blend everything together. So this is my tomato mixture after blending. Next, I'm going to place an empty dry pot on the heat, add some vegetable oil and allow it to heat up. After that, I'm going to add in my sliced onion. Then I'm going to stir fry for a few minutes. After that, I'm going to go ahead to add in my blended tomato mixture and I'm going to use my spatula to stir it and let it fry. So guys, make sure that you reduce the heat while frying your tomato and also stir continuously. So after a few minutes, I'm going to go ahead to add in my fresh curry leaf and I'm going to stir fry this for a few minutes. So next, I'm going to add in my meat stock and after that, I'm going to stir it. And guys, if there is any need to adjust your seasoning spice, you can go ahead to add some seasoning like I'm doing in this video. So after adding some few more spices, I'm going to go ahead to stir it. And next, I'll go ahead to add in my fried meat. After that, I'm going to stir and mix everything together. And finally, I'm going to go ahead to add in my boiled egg now. After adding in the boiled egg, I'm going to mix everything together. And after that, I'm going to cover my pot of stew and let it cook for a few minutes. So 5 minutes later, I'm going to check on my stew now. I'll go ahead to use my spatula to just give it a big stir, and after that you can go ahead and serve your boiled egg stew with white rice and enjoy. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, like and share this video.